Hello YouTube, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be learning how to print a worksheet in Excel. So, to print a worksheet, all you have to do is to select the worksheet or this, then click File, click Print, or you can press Ctrl P. So it brings you to this dialog box. You can print, you can choose how many copies you want, if you need more than one copy. Here you choose your printer. If you want to print to PDF, you choose. You can select the range of pages you want to print. Let's say this worksheet is up to 10 pages. You can select from 50 to 10 pages. You can choose the orientation. You can make it a landscape or portraits. So after making your selection and settings, you say print. So that's how to print a worksheet. And the next thing we'll be looking at is to print part of worksheet. For you to print a part of worksheet, select the worksheet, select the worksheet you want to print, then select the range. So you want to print only 2 columns. Select the range of data that you want to print, then click File, and then click Print. Under Settings, click the arrow next to Print Active Sheet and select Print Selection. You can see that only the 2 columns that we selected appear. Then click Print. So you can print a workbook to a file. In order to do that, click File, click Print. Under Printer, print to a file, which is to PDF or any other document. So when you select PDF, click Print. So in the Save Print Output as dialog box, Save Print Output as dialog box, enter the file name and then click OK. Click Save. Save. So that's how to print a workbook to a file. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like.